Nigga, what you doing, bro?
Yo.
Come on now.
My fault, bro.
Put the phone away, bro.
Yo,
Put the phone away.
Onedon.
Go on, welcome back to our next one. You don't know it's your one and only sexy Onedon Cjay. So today, the video is going to be about, of course, sexy Cjay going to public with the females, of course. Simple asking them, can I have their number without even speaking? So something like this. Having no conversations, so let's see what happens. I think I'm queuing up to get some numbers, but who knows? I'm gonna get rejected, so stay tuned.
Come on. No, I'm married. I'm married. No, I'm married. There's a... My phone number? I have a boyfriend. Well, you cute and you smell good, so...
到明天我真的很兴奋。No, thank you.
Me? Nah, I don't give out my number like that, man. I'm sorry.
No, me neither. I have a boyfriend. Sorry, I'm rushing class. What? I'm late for class. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh no. I'm very busy.
You're mad funny.
What happened? No. I know English, sorry.
Ho, you don't speak English, but you can't tell me what happened. Tell me how.
My number? It's okay. Thank you though.
To you? Why? So, no, maybe no number of social security too?
А что он хочет?
Позвонила, чтобы ты к нему.
Why?
Just communication skills. No, my darling, no. We are strong religious person. God bless you. God bless you. God loves you.
I have a boyfriend. Sorry. Huh? What happened? Phone number? My phone number? Oh, but I don't know you. No.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
What you doing, bro? What you doing? Bro, trying to get her number, nigga? Why, nigga? It's my girl right here. What you doing? Huh? Nigga, what you doing, bro?
Yo,
Come on now.
my fault, bro.
Put the phone away, bro.
Yo,
Put the phone away.
Yes, sir. Thanks for watching my video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey, if you're new to the channel, bro, subscribe. Get me to 1K already. Like, what's up? And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bow.